Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. As many of you will probably know, the film director Ridley Scott has recently produced an epic 2.5-hour biopic of Napoleon for Netflix. Now, I haven't seen the film myself, so I'm not in any position to comment on its merits, but I do know from all of the hoo-ha in the press that Ridley Scott has come in for a lot of flack, especially from historians who are annoyed about the way he's treated historical facts about Napoleon's life. He's been accused of inventing certain stories, misrepresenting other stories, and generally just playing fast and loose with the facts. If you say that someone has been playing or is playing fast and loose with the facts, you basically mean that they're not fully respecting the facts, they're not being careful with the way they present the facts, they're not respecting the historical facts, and in many ways they're kind of trying to cleverly cheat or deceive people through the way they present their version of the facts. You often hear people being accused of playing fast and loose with the facts. You can also play fast and loose with the truth. So politicians, particularly politicians of a populist bent, such as Boris Johnson over here in the UK, or Trump over there in the States, are often accused of playing fast and loose with the truth, which is often a fairly euphemistic way of saying they're basically liars. You can also play fast and loose with the rules. So Manchester City, one of the big football clubs here, who are currently accused of over 100 breaches of the financial fair play regulations because of the way they're run as a business. Man City have basically been playing fast and loose with the financial fair play rules or the financial fair play regulations in a way that many of us football fans see as dishonest and maybe immoral and a bit deceitful. You also sometimes hear of people just playing fast and loose with you. So maybe you're trying to rent or buy a property, you think you found somewhere, and then the estate agents don't let you sign the papers. They tell you that maybe other people are interested and are offering more money. You don't know if this is true or not, and you end up complaining to your friends that you think you found this great place or this great deal, but now you're starting to get a feeling that the estate agents are playing fast and loose with you. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see how you might use play fast and loose.